Hi everyone, this is Janice. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a healthy salad, and this salad includes a lot of vegetables and it is so quick to make, and I know that your family will enjoy my salad. The ingredients that I will be using for this salad are a cucumber, a tomato, carrots, radishes, a zucchini, grated cheese, lettuce, and a shredder. Okay, I have my lettuce washed already, and now I am going to put my lettuce in the bowl. Okay, I am almost done with my lettuce here. Okay, now I have my salads in my bowls, and the next step that I will do is I will put the radishes into my electric shredder, and then I would put it on the salad. Okay, the next vegetable that I will proceed with is the carrot, and I will shred the carrot and put on top of the salad. Then I will put it on the other salad as well. Okay, my next vegetable would be the zucchini. And with the zucchini, you can put as much zucchini as you want or little as you want. So now I will shred the zucchini and put on my salad. Okay, now I am ready to dice my tomato in half. And with these tomatoes, you can either dice the tomatoes or you can slice them. That's all up to you. And then I will put them on the salads. Okay, now I have the other part of the tomatoes diced, and I will put them on the salad. I have my cucumber, and now I will slice the cucumber. You can make them thin slice or thick slice or medium slice if you like. And I like to make my cucumber medium sliced. Now I'm ready to put my sliced cucumber on my salad. Okay, now the last step would be to add my grated cheese, and I will grate it and show you how I put it on the salads. Okay, now you can add your favorite dressing to your salads. Well, I hope you will enjoy this salad. Please leave me some comments and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.